getting started in 3, 2, 1, go.
Horn sounds on match 45, and we are good to go. 9450 Velocity Raptors. They score a note in the amp. They reached for a second one, but their alliance partner took it instead. Skunkworks doing a little spin, and note coming towards the referees. The referees and the AVs love notes for breakfast. Anyways, 2 minutes and 10 seconds left to play here in our match. And a bit of traffic in the Red Alliance side of the field. That's 9450 Velocity Raptors for your Blue Alliance. Seemingly playing defense against your Red Alliance robots. As 4180, the Iron Riders navigate around them. They pick up a note from the neutral zone and make their way towards the Red Alliance speaker. 9450 with their arm up on their robot Blue, trying to potentially block shots from making their way into the speaker. 4180 trying to find a vantage point where they can fire off that note. All 3 Red Alliance robots actually by the speaker and amp on their side of the field. 5827 code purple with a note successfully delivered in the red amp. That speaker now amplified, but Iron Rider still with that note in their possession. They finally launch it into the speaker. It's good for 5. Still a very close live score, just 2 points of difference now as Red Alliance takes the lead, 37-35. Blue Alliance trying to narrow the margin as 1983 Skunkworks drops off a note in the amp. That's 1 point for the notes, and they have 2 in the tank if they're ready for some speaker shots. Spartabots 2976 for your Red Alliance. Here at the blue side of the field, bumping into the IRS briefly. They do have a note in their possession. Skunkworks fires off a shot. It's good, and they amplify that speaker. Their note from Skunkworks falls just off to the side. Looks like that'll be just 5 points of that transaction. Red Alliance holds the lead. Red Alliance now amplifies their speaker. Couple more seconds left on that. Code Purple races back. Note in possession. They launch it into the Red Alliance speaker. 2 points for that note. 53-42. Now your score with 20 seconds remaining. Both alliances nearly at that extra ranking point threshold, but we have our eyes set on staged points. Any high notes on mics? One final note in the Blue Alliance human player's hand. It falls inside a robot. Robots lining up for the climb. 9450, note on top of the trap. Not in, but they are up in the air. 78-57, your final score. 3 ranking points go to your Red Alliance, 2 for the win, and a 1 credit for the ensemble ranking point courtesy of a G424 violation. We will be right back with match number 46.